Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. For this, I'm going to be using the Burnout Softy Chunky yarn in a super bulky weight. Okay, first you take a strand of yarn, you wrap it around your fingers like this, creating a loop. Bring the yarn that's attached to the ball through the loop and out. And here you have your slip knot. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, tutorials on knitting and tips and also projects. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.